Josh here at Jordanbikes in Leeds, and this morning we have got this 2019 GSXR1000R. It is fitted with the standard system to the Shoshimura can, and the customer has chopped the cat out of the standard can and just welded it up, so it is more or less a straight through system. So we're going to do the final run now, and then we'll talk through everything that we've achieved.
Super smooth does that, it's like butter.
Right, so the base run just made over 180 brake horsepower, which is the red line, fueling absolutely all over the place. So yeah, worst points are just around 5 and 6 and 7 and 10. So yeah, we've sorted them out. As you can see now, the blue line is the fueling as it is now. So yeah, we've just sorted the fueling out all the way through the rev range, mapped the ignition, sorted the electronic throttle out, which are really bad on these bikes, causing really bad snatchiness, and they're really restricted as well. So yeah, we've just come out with a figure of 194.1, so massive 14 horsepower difference, and that is more or less through the full rev range. As you can see there, it is absolutely smooth as, it's gained everywhere. I mean, you can hear it on the video how smooth it is. It's just transformed the bike. So yeah, that's 14 horsepower, 100% throttle. So I'll just show you this, and I'll give you a quick, another thing that these bikes are bad for is partial throttle openings. So basically, if you're doing a long ride or on a long bit of road where you're just at a constant throttle, you see this section around here, around this section of air fuel, that's between 5 and 7,500 revs. So road speed is 55 mile an hour to 90 mile an hour. So you can imagine you spend probably 75% of your time there, causing this really bad flat spot, which causes the bike to surge forwards and backwards pretty badly. So now we've totally ironed that out, as you can see there. And it just transformed the bike. You can see it's gained 12 brake horsepower and so much more smoother there. You can see the two graphs back to back. So
And that's a what, half throttle?
no, that's 23%.
Right.
Just a tiny little partial opening. So probably if you do a motorway riding, like I say, a long bit of road between 55 and 100 mile an hour, you would feel that. So yeah, it's smoothed it out and should ride a million times better. So yeah, all good. So if you want to know, please give us a call.